So here's the thing with taxes, right? When you're starting a business, most businesses lose money the first couple of years. If this is you, taxes is not an issue. You don't have a tax issue. You have an income issue. You have to increase your income. The more income you make, the more that we can save you in taxes, the more strategies we can implement. So when you're starting out, you got to focus on making money. You got to focus on growing the business. I mean, I've heard people say, I don't want to make more money because I'm going to be paying more in taxes. That's just stupid. I mean, you're going to limit yourself in the income that you can make just because you're worried about taxes. You don't want to do that, right? There's always ways to reduce your taxes. And even if there weren't, you're going to limit yourself from making more money because you have to pay taxes. The income that you're making is always, not usually, always going to be higher than your taxes. What would you put a cap on your income? So that's a mindset issue. You have to change your mindset. Don't worry about the taxes. Just make money and hire a tax strategist. If you want to learn more about how to keep more of what you earn and not give a large percentage of it to the IRS, join me on my next webinar. We're going to be talking about tax planning strategies that are going to help you save money in taxes every year, this year, and every year going forward. Click on the link in my bio, and I'll see you in the webinar.